guys, Jashelle here. I'm gonna go through my night skin routine using some of my favorite Joanna Vargas products. Right now I have just a few breakouts and yeah, I'm just gonna address some of those problems. I'm going to first use my Joanna Vargas Miracle Bar, which is really good for exfoliating the skin, and it also helps whenever you have breakouts to help dry out the breakouts. So be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Joanna Vargas Twilight Face Mask. And then whatever's left after, I'm just going to press it into my skin so it can soak up everything. Now I'm just going to use the Jade Roller, which is going to help the products press even more into the skin to penetrate more into the skin. You always want to go in upward motions because that's the direction of gravity. And you don't want to get any wrinkles or anything, so this will help with that. You always want to go maybe like 3 times within the same spot and then move over to another spot. Now I'm just gonna rub it in, whatever's left. Also get the neck, can't forget about that. Perfect. And now I'm gonna move into my favorite Supernova serum. All you need is just about 2 pumps. You want to always pat it into the skin instead of rubbing, just so that it soaks in so much better. Perfect. And now to finish off, I'm going to go in with some eye cream. Can't forget about that. And you always want to use your ring finger because it has the most delicate touch. Go around the orbital bone. Alright, so now the skin is nice and glowy and I am ready for bed. So I will see you guys next time.